Hi guys, it's DizzyFreaks52 here. George is on the other side of the camera right now, but we are going to be doing a time lapse of the new Mickey Mouse Lego set. And where did you find this, George?
At the Lego store.
I
had to order it online at the Lego store.
Okay. Alright, I was just like, where'd you find this?
I flew to Disney Springs and got it at the Lego store.
Anyway, he ordered it, it delivered in the mail, and I was really excited to build it. And we got it about 5 weeks ago.
Not that long.
Not that long, how long?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. And so now we actually got through the time to actually build it and stuff. So now we're going to go ahead and do it on time lapse. So I guess we'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, now we're back. This is one of the sets that was included in the Mickey's 90th birthday celebration. And since this was the Steamboat Willie, I think, right? Okay. I'm not really good with the history, so I have to ask George sometimes for help. But some of the features that are a part of the boat didn't work out very well. There's a mechanism within the boat, and it's supposed to make both of these go up and down, but they tend to get stuck. Don't know why, but yeah. And then if I let it go further, it's not gonna go any further in one part of, I don't know. It has issues. Cut the video. We're including that. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, hold on. I know how to repair this. Just give me a second. Is my concentration face strong right now? I can fix that. It's just this one that I'm having trouble with. Okay, I got it. Okay, got it. It works! Okay, I fixed it. Alright, so a little bit ago, this one wouldn't go back down, but now it works. I'm happy now. So all the different features that are on here, of course, the moving, what stacks are they called?
Smokestacks.
Smokestacks, thank you. I thought they were called short stacks. I thought they were called that for real. And then there's also the spinning thing, and it also rolls on its, or not on its own, but it has a set of wheels in the below, and that's how that moves. And there's also a really flexible crate mover here, and then there's a little, kind of, I guess, fan? I don't know what you call that. Is it one of the, it isn't in the shape of one of those propellers, there we go, but it does symbolize kind of the same thing. I don't know. And I don't know if the actual, oh wait, yes it does. The wheel actually moves. I didn't know that it did. And then there's also a flag on the back And then we also have the Hidden Mickey plaque. And it says 1928 on the bottom, and it also has the 2 action figures, or the action figures, Lego figures. Also, there's the Turkey in the Straw music sheet, I think. I don't know if I'm showing that correctly. Am I?
It's not focusing.
Probably just broke something. And no, I just kind of tore them off the thing for like a split second. I'll get back down in frame. But yeah, there was some technical difficulties with the recording, so I apologize for that. My phone wasn't hooked up to a charger when I was recording it. I should have hooked it up to a charger beforehand, but I forgot to do that, so some of the time lapse wasn't going to be included. It seems like every single time that we're recording a video, we forget to hook it up, and then it just stops recording for whatever reason. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know if some of these are still available, probably, but if it is available, I really recommend, if you like nostalgia and you like Steamboat Willie and all the old times of Mickey Mouse, then you should definitely get this set. Alright, so thank you guys for joining, and tune in for our next video. Bye!